Good evening, this is a short screencast to introduce the category advisor for uncomplicated categories and the uncomplicated apps. So here I have my Shopify navigation. I've set up my menus in this structure, and if I loop through to the app, this is what they look like. So here on the right hand side I can see my category hierarchy. The category list is looking correct. It's got a small number of categories, there's no duplication, and everything is showing up. Sometimes when creating categories, I recommend creating them, of course, 1 or 2 categories at a time. Things can go wrong because Shopify might fail to make the link between different elements. So I've created the category advisor. Now for this healthy site, the category advisor is saying that the category status is okay. But for this unhealthy site, it's a different picture. What we've got here on the left-hand side is a category list that contains several duplicates. It's a category list that contains items that are differently spelled, and 1 or 2 items haven't been linked. Thankfully, the category advisor is showing up these errors. So the category advisor said that there's some potential issues that have been detected. If this is what you intended for your site, it's no problem at all. The category advisor doesn't get in the way of you publishing your site as normal, but it can highlight issues that you may not be aware of. For example, duplicate categories. I can see here that my mobile phones category, which has 5 children, is duplicated twice. So once it's here appearing under technology, and then it appears again here under film and TV. This duplication can make for a very long category list and can be confusing for users. I can see that I've got an unlinked category. So the category that's handily titled unlinked doesn't have a shortcut. So it actually links to hash, which means that if a user were to click on that category, it wouldn't take them to a collection page as these other ones do. Instead, it would just leave them on the page they're on, which can mean a very confusing user journey. Finally, the category advisor has identified some mismatched categories. This is very easily done in Shopify because if you're trying to take a menu item from one menu and create a menu title with the exact same name, Shopify is ruthless about ensuring that it is the exact same name. If the capitalization is different, or there are spaces before or after the name, or any different number of spaces, then it will treat them as 2 entirely separate categories. And that means that when you see your category list, like this one on the right hand side, things can appear to be missing. So that's the category advisor. It's part of the service for categories uncomplicated and breadcrumbs uncomplicated. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.